In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix AliExpress Locked Account 2025 step by step. If you suddenly can't log in, don't panic. Locks are often triggered by unusual sign-in behavior or security filters, and many can be cleared by following a few practical checks. Start with the quick wins before you contact support. Turn off any VPN or proxy you're using, since that can make your location look suspicious. Clear your browser's cache and cookies to remove stale session data that may be tripping the system. Then try signing in from a different browser, or switch to the official AliExpress mobile app, which can be more reliable for account recovery. If the lock looks temporary, give it 24 to 48 hours. A lot of accounts unlock automatically after that window, so a little patience can save you time. If you're prompted to verify, go ahead and complete that flow. Log into AliExpress and follow the on-screen account verification steps. Confirm your email address, enter the one-time code sent to your phone, and, if asked, verify the last digits of the payment method on file. Use the same device and the same network you normally use with AliExpress. This consistency helps their system recognize you. If a code doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment and request it again rather than spamming multiple requests, which can slow things down. Next, reset your password. Go to the Forgot Password option, choose Recovery by email or phone, and create a strong new password you haven't used on AliExpress before. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once it's changed, try logging in again. This step resolves many locks tied to suspicious login attempts or reused credentials. If you're still locked out, reach out to AliExpress customer service. Head to the AliExpress Help Center, select Account, then Account Locked, and choose Chat with Agent for the fastest response. Be clear and concise about what you need. Your account is locked, you want it reviewed and unlocked, and you're ready to verify ownership. You can say, "Hello, my AliExpress account is locked due to security reasons. I believe this may be a mistake. I am the rightful owner and willing to verify my identity. Please help unlock my account. Thank you." For more serious restrictions, you may be asked to submit an appeal, upload identification or proof of payment, and confirm recent orders. Reviews typically take 3 to 7 business days. Provide accurate information